Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to download and install GCam on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then open this website. From here, just tap on download now. Then tap on Google Camera 9.6. From here, just select download for all other Android phones. Now just tap on this link. Then tap on open. From here, just select install, then tap on open. Now from here, just select while using the app and tap on allow, then tap on done. Now just tap on allow. Now as you can see, we have successfully installed Google Camera on our Oppo phone. And this is how you can download and install GCam on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.